Guys, we had the honor of Hailie Deegan coming over today. If you don't know who that is, she's like the biggest NASCAR driver name in the world right now. She came to my house, to my garage, and drove this car. First, I gave her a ride. It made her scream. It's hilarious. Then she made me scream. Then we took that thing out, and she made me scream. So if you like that kind of stuff, you're gonna want to stay for this video. So check it out. Here it goes. Hey, we're here with Hailie. We're about to go do something pretty fun.
Yeah, you can hear it for sure.
I know. We're gonna go drive F85, and then she's gonna drive F85. You're not gonna wanna miss this, so stay tuned. Sweet.
It is crazy how tight it is in here.
Can you imagine? Because you obviously race.
Yeah.
Can you imagine doing 24-hour race at 200 miles an hour in this?
It would be fun. It would be a lot of fun.
Really fun. Kind of feels like you're just in a tin can, doesn't it? How am I looking on that side?
Quick, clear, 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 clear. Perfect. Oh my god. Dude. Oh my god. This is the coolest car I've ever been in. By far. Dude.
Isn't it wild?
Wild.
It's like another...
I see why they're so expensive now.
Right. and the coolest thing is, it's you in the car. There's no nannies. There's no ABS brakes.
Yeah.
There's no you know, it's like you just get to drive.
Dude, these are gnarly.
Gnarly. So now you can see why I like to do rallies in them and stuff too, because it's anytime I'm having a bad day, I literally just force myself to get in this car. I do this little. I'm done. I'm happy.
I noticed I did the same thing in my Mustang, but I'd be a lot freaking happier if I had this car. I tell you that.
Oh, it's so good.
Dude,
we'll do one more pull.
Okay, go for it. Go for it. Oh my god. Yeah. Dude, these are so crazy. Wow.
I'll tell you what. This is what we'll do. There, I'll give you some braking experience. We'll just go here, and then we'll swap seats, and then you drive it back. How's that?
Okay, perfect.
I think this is a good spot. Now, one thing you have to do, though, is you have to, like, straighten the car out when you're on roads, or else you literally can't see the traffic coming.
Okay.
All right. Okay, hold on.
Almost got my head chopped off.
Yeah, I know. It's so funny. I'm so glad you share a passion for cars, because this is like, there's nothing like...
I love stuff like this. Love it.
Oh,
like, new stuff is cool by all means, but old stuff that's like made new, I love that.
Like, even when you're riding passenger, you're probably feeling everything I'm doing in the seat of your...
These are a lot, I feel like, gnarlier when you're on the street and stuff. Because, like, racing, like, you kind of know what to expect. It's not like, I don't know, just being on the street and, like, being in cars like these are wild.
It's wild. I can't believe this is street legal.
Yeah, and yeah.
And it should be illegal because it's so much fun, right?
Yeah. There's no power steering.
Oh yeah, no, there's no power steering. Okay. Isn't that wild too? Your RPM's right here.
Yeah, that's really wild. There's a lot of wild stuff with these cars. Okay, we're in second right now?
We're in second right now, so you're good.
Well, it's just pattern's messed me up a little bit. Alright, we'll do it. Yeah! So much fun! Oh my god! Whoa! everything. So it's wild.
It helps connect with the car even more. You feel all your inputs.
I do like, if it wasn't so hard to steer, like in racing and everything, I would not probably run it because I like extra feeling.
Oh yeah.
Dude, this is so cool.
Well, you know, and it's only hard to steer when you're down really low speeds, like under 5 miles an hour. After that, it's
good.
It's way better.
Dude, turn right here?
Yeah, we can go right here.
It's so much fun. Holy shit. It would be hard for me not to take it to a track like every single week.
You know what we should do? We should do a day where you take this to the track with me.
Dude, these are so cool. Dude, this is so cool.
So cool, isn't it?
I would drive this around everywhere.
Yeah, literally.
I know storage, I take it. Grocery store, I take it everywhere.
Done.
And then good?
So she said she's taking it home.
Yeah.
That's what she kept saying that for some reason.
Stealing it. Dude, one of the coolest things I've ever done in my life. It was gnarly. Especially sitting passenger, like when you're not the one that you know what's going to be happening. Gnarly. Ooh,
How was that?
It was, I think I didn't know what to expect when he first went, because I'm like, oh, I don't know. Like, you just don't know. Like, I've never been in one of these cars before to know. And the first time he went, I grabbed my belt, so, holy shit! Gnarly. Like nothing I've ever done before.
Race car, right? Like this pure
Yeah.
Pure
and
car.
I didn't realize it when I first got in, shifted, started going. I'm like, holy shit, there's no power steering. I was like, I did not know that. I was like, oh man. And then I had to keep telling myself, because I want to go first, second, third, first, second. Like it was all backwards and stuff. So every time I thought I was shifting in something, I was like, okay, I need to do the opposite. How do I open it?
So underneath the back side of it, there's a little button. There you go.
Oh. It's like opening a Can-Am door for the first time.
Yeah, you're
have
like,
to explain to everybody,
yeah.
and they all have to reach it.
Yep. All right, Hailie's turn to drive the 05. This one's a little more modern than this one.
A little more modern, slightly.
Slightly. Sweet. Get it.
See you later.
Oh yeah.
This is one of my favorite cars ever because it's that, but you know,
modernized.
Yeah, and you can listen to music and
yeah.
take
I guess
a phone
you
call.
can't listen to music in the other one.
But the presence of these on the road from the outside is unreal.
Yeah. Especially like the older models.
Yeah, it's my favorite.
They probably get so much attention on there.
It's insane.
It's probably fun. These are nice.
Super easy to drive too, compared to the other one.
Yeah. a little bit. I'll wait till I get on the other road.
We'll avoid traffic that way.
Am I good, clear?
You're clear on the right?
Okay. Second, usually starting second, first, whatever.
Oh,
whatever.
I'm about out of hell whenever I drive it all the time. Oh yeah.
Holy shit. Oh my god. It's smooth. So smooth. Wow. Like the shifting is, you barely feel it.
Uh-huh.
Damn. You can definitely tell it's more modernized.
Oh yeah.
I don't know, I think the 66, like you feel that one more. I don't know why, but you just like, it has a lot more aggressive feeling.
Uh-huh.
Dude, these things are sick.
Yeah, because this is doing the same, I mean, you're accelerating at the same pace, really.
It's just so much smoother.
So smooth.
I like the harsh and aggressive.
Me too.
I love it.
Now you see why I have both.
Oh, yeah,
Because I'm like die hard. Like, it's like, okay, today I feel like, you know, going fast but chilling.
Yeah.
So I take this.
Yeah, that other one, it'd be more, that's more like the joyride.
I joyride the hell out of that.
Oh, yeah. The shifting's nice in these, really.
Yeah,
really nice.
it is. And a lot of people are like, oh, the interior is so cheap. I'm like, this is a really special interior.
Yeah.
I know it's cheap material, but who cares? It's just like, they paid tribute. They put the tack right in front of you, like in the original car.
Because like, why? Because it doesn't have carbon?
I know,
like,
yeah,
everyone
exactly.
wants carbon on everything. Like, you don't have to have carbon on stuff for it.
No.
Yeah, I would haul ass everywhere if I had It'd be hard for me not to. Very hard.
And they're 200-mile-an-hour cars all day.
Yeah.
Like when we were on when we were on Corsa.
Yeah, you know when the speedometer goes to 220, it's called ass.
Jeez, I was not expecting that. That was epic.
Okay, no wording, no wording. Okay, wait a second. Damn. So smooth. Very, very smooth.
I've ridden right seat in this car a couple times with other people driving it, but no one like has the balls to drive it like that. So it's a whole different experience.
I think I was so hard on my Mustang when I had my 350.
Were you?
I was so hard on it. Like it just damn.
We were doing 45.
45. I think we're now doing. Yeah, that does not feel like you're going as fast as you are. If I hit the lottery, I'd buy one of these. For sure.
Well, you know, it's funny because most people that own them, they just sit them in their garages under covers because they're investments. I got this with 11,000 miles on it in April. Literally April of this year.
That's funny.
So I've already put over 6,000 miles.
miles on it.
Yeah, I ain't afraid to do. Like this is meant to be driven.
It's meant to be driven, yeah. I remember this time.
Perfect.
Right here,
turn the key off. Yep. That was wild. So I've ridden in the passenger seat of this car a few times, but people are usually kind of gentle with it. Not Hailie.
Drive, I feel like I didn't need to be.
That was awesome.
I just started hauling at it.
I looked down the speedometer one time, I'm like,
We're flying.
I'm gonna leave it at that.
And you don't know it because it's so smooth, but like you'll just be rolling in third gear and you're like, holy shit, I got slow down.
That's so
Hailie
fun.
gets the approval. She can come over and drive the cars anytime.
Good.
She drives them like I do.
If you ever decide that you need to store it somewhere, anything, just call me up.
I bet you no one has ever had just their friends, and it's just so funny that it happens to be like race car drivers that are taking rides in it.
I feel like people who race are the only ones that can really appreciate it. Like you gotta be either super into cars or race.
Yeah. But yeah, so like it's friends, family, whoever rides in the car gets a place on the side,
cool.
which I just love because we're very into stories behind cars and stuff too. We have a lot.
Yeah.
There's a lot of stories in the
bet.
garage. Yeah. We just have fun.
Cars like these, you gotta have good stories.
You got it. Have fun.
Perfect. Well, thank you so much.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Running the same truck I have for the past 3 years, so it's gonna be hard, but I'm excited for it. I think it's gonna be a big change, especially being on a new team.